Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Audi S5 Turbo versus Supercharger. We'll dive into the core mechanics of each system, examining how they boost engine performance. You'll discover the distinct ways they deliver power, influencing your driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which might suit your preferences best. Let's get started by looking at how these systems work. Superchargers, like those found in many Audi S5 models, offer immediate power. There's no waiting for boost to build. You get instant acceleration the moment you press the pedal. This consistent power delivery across all engine speeds makes for a very predictable and engaging drive. Plus, their mechanical simplicity often translates to straightforward maintenance, which is a definite plus for many owners. Now, let's consider turbochargers. These systems are known for their impressive efficiency, often delivering more power per unit of fuel. They can achieve higher peak horsepower and torque, which is exciting for performance enthusiasts. While older designs had noticeable lag, modern turbos have greatly minimized this, providing a much more responsive feel. They also offer extensive tuning possibilities for those seeking custom performance. So, which is better for the Audi S5? If you prioritize instant, linear power delivery and a classic performance feel, a supercharger might be your preference. However, if fuel efficiency, higher peak power, and extensive tuning options are more important, then a turbocharger could be the ideal choice. Ultimately, both systems dramatically elevate the S5's driving experience, offering distinct advantages for different drivers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.